Hi guys, welcome to Sensei. In this video we're going to be doing the horn change. We've had quite a lot of correspondence about how they do this, why we do it, and whenever we go teaching in seminars, this is the one thing everyone wants to learn about.
I've been doing these for quite a few years now. Literally I can show you the world's greatest techniques, but until they've mastered a horn change they're not interested. I use it a lot, there is a reason for it, but here we go.
With the later katas, the horn change comes into it quite often, so by learning this now it gives you a chance to get ahead for when you're learning kata.
It's handy when you want to change the position of the horn when you're doing something. I practice when I'm walking along, but there's been a few occasions where I've needed to change it quick. It's quick, it's effective, and let's face it, it looks good. Okay, just a quick recap on the cane, guys. The tip end with the ferrule, the shaft, the crook, and the horn. When I walk, I tend to have the horn out. On occasion, horn in. So whether I'm walking or not, if I have it this way and suddenly think, I want it the other way, what I want to do is change it. Comes in useful when you're deciding on what technique or what attack or defence you're going to use. You might need to change that position. So it is an important thing to learn. So this actually took me quite a while to get the hang of. Some people I've shown it picks it up straight away. Other people I still get messages saying, I can't do this. So when you're engaging the figure of 8, I do it in front of me, you can do it from the side. What I'm looking for is the tip is going to follow the horn. As I get to this position here, I'm letting go of the cane and I'm allowing my palm to be flat. So what I'm not doing when I do this is tracking the crook with my hand. The temptation is, as you let go, is to follow it with your hand. I'm literally just leaving my hand there and it's going to roll across the back of my wrist. So as it's coming through, I've let go, the cane will roll over the back of your wrist and then you can retain the grip and you've inverted the horn. It's one of those things, once you get the hang of it, it's easier to do fast than slow. So it's just rotate, comes over, and I've changed the position. Going back the other way, exactly the same, I've changed the position. So this will always follow this.
So from a chair, it's no different. This is just going to go around, it's going to come over the wrist and change position. So I start off with just giving it a little tap. That's all I do. With this hand, I'm giving a little circle motion. So it's just coming round and through. And again, you can do it from the side, from the front, and obviously from the other side as well. It's a great technique, it looks fantastic, and for some reason everyone wants to do it.
As you can see, got the nice horn change. The next challenge is to do it on both sides. So most people can do it on one hand, but they forget they need to do both. So what I tend to do, I'll do a horn change hands, and I'll just figure of 8, horn change, figure of 8, horn change, and just keep going, swapping sides, and then you'll find you're getting a nice flow, and eventually you'll be doing it without thinking about it, which is what you want. So people say, well, why do you need to do that? Well, if you're doing a clearance swing from a chamber position, horn up works fine. If you have it with the horn down, the cane gets trapped. So you may be changing your position. When you do a helicopter twirl, I find I prefer it with the horn up. Doesn't make a difference, it just depends. Depends what attack. If you're going for a strike, horn down. If you're going for a swing, I tend to go for horn up. And quite often I've used this as a deterrent. When people are coming towards me, I figure of 8, get the horn change that I want, and chamber it, and then I find they leave me alone. So even as just a deterrent, it's a really good move.
Well guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. It's a lot of fun. I've been told off quite a few times from my wife where I've actually released the cane and hit numerous objects in my house. So please be careful, practice it slowly. Any comments down below, drop us a line, let us know what you think. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, I can personally contest to breaking a phone, a chandelier in my house and scare the living daylights out of a cat. If you've got any interesting stories about your horn change mistakes, please let us know, because we're always happy to share. If you haven't subscribed, please do so already, and as always, ring the bell, free the fit.